Singapore is at the forefront of smart and sustainable manufacturing. A-Star collaborates with our partners to advance technology through top-notch research and development. Together, we develop solutions across the entire manufacturing value chain that aim to redefine the future of manufacturing. With the circular economy approach being the way forward for the manufacturing sector, waste recycling has become a critical aspect of sustainable manufacturing. Singapore's vision is to become a zero-waste nation. By 2030, we seek to achieve a 70% overall recycling rate and reduce the amount of waste sent to Semakau landfill by 30%. Together with our partners, A-Star has developed advanced technologies and smart solutions to enhance the recycling of waste and their reintroduction into the value chain. The first step in recycling is to separate the recyclables and non-recyclables for waste-to-resource circularity. We have developed an automated waste sorting process, combining artificial intelligence for image recognition and complex human behavioral algorithms. This helps identify and separate recyclable and non-recyclable waste into separate bins for the right treatment. Plastic is one of the hardest materials to recycle. Recycled plastic usually loses its quality, hence limiting their reusability. This technology helps toughen recycled PET material into extrusion-based printable filament for use in the additive manufacturing industry. Multi-layer films used in packaging of consumer goods pose a significant recycling challenge due to their complex composition. To resolve this, we have partnered with CP to develop chemical processes to recycle the PE and PET components in multi-layer films into high-quality recyclates. Engage A-Star for smart recycling solutions for cost and resource savings. Accelerate your smart and sustainable manufacturing journey with A-Star today.